What's up, YouTube? HogDriver88 back with you on a nice warm Sunday afternoon in May in Raleigh, North Carolina. Out today on the 2019 Goldwing Tour DCT. Playing around a bit on the practice course. And we've got a detour here. Looks like I can't go out the back entrance. Let's see. Maybe this way. Lot of construction here. I think all this is going to be the new 540 toll road. These people can't be happy. So I wanted to get a ride in today because tomorrow looks like a 70% chance of rain. I figured I better get some while I can. And it's a nice day for it. Let's see if we can't enjoy some of these back roads on the way home rather than get back on. .401 and Capitol Boulevard, etc. Nice out here in the country. So I caught GB winging its latest video this morning on first motorcycle mistakes. And I had to think back, and I don't think I ever bought a motorcycle that I regret. I've liked them all. My first one was a used 1977 Honda CB754K model, and that was in 1978 when I was all of 19 years old. That was my first road bike, and followed shortly after that, the same year, with a brand new GL 1000 Goldwing. That was before they started putting bags and fairing and all that stuff on them. Just a naked Goldwing, and I love that. My friends had nothing like that. They were all, I want to say, Kawasaki and Suzuki riders in the 650 or so range. So to have a 1000cc, 4-cylinder, water-cooled, shaft-drive motorcycle at 19, that was pretty cool. So my only mistakes with the first two motorcycles anyway was selling them. I wish I still had them. see some of those 754s from the mid-70s going for crazy money now. And not that I would have wanted it to hold on to resell for crazy money. I just wish I still had my first motorcycle. Couple other Hondas after those two. Took a break for a while. Had a couple of mid 1980s FLHTPs at work, and that was in the mid 90s. So those mid 80s Electroglides they were just horrible, but I didn't pay for them. And I got paid to ride them, so that was pretty good. Got back in as an owner in 2005 with an 06 Electroglide Classic. And then a 13 Rotoglide Ultra. And then a 15 Electroglide Ultra Limited, which I still have. And now this thing, which I've had for almost 2 years, and I've got to say, this is my favorite out of the whole bunch. This is just a great motorcycle. You've probably heard it before, but I'll say it again. It's nimble, it's fast, it's quiet. Plenty of technology, which is a double-edged sword because technology can break. But so far, knock wood, helmet, so good. This is a beautiful area. I'm not sure if this is Fuquay Varina or Garner or Southeast Raleigh. Just past Old Stage Road. I'm assuming this is Southeast Raleigh, but not entirely certain. So I've made no first motorcycle mistakes. I've been happy the whole time with all of them. Oh, look at that place. That's cool. It's a real old filling station. I'm surprised those Coca-Cola signs haven't disappeared. Oh, looks like it's occupied. Cool. You guys hear that? Someone likes music. I am going the wrong way. I gotta make a U-turn. Man, it's windy out. Look at that windsock standing straight out. So as much as I tried to avoid the busy roads, I wound up back on them again. There's the Harley shop. Not too busy today. And we're going to wind up going through downtown Raleigh. That's the city right there ahead of us. Hope the battery lasts long enough to get through. So it's the capital of the state, and it's a big enough city, but it's not a real big city. They'll be through this in no time at all. Plenty of big buildings, most of them are banks. And this will start downtown proper right here. Got the convention center on the right with that shimmering wall up ahead. Used to be every September there was the motorcycle, I guess a bike week of sorts, and a couple of blocks over on Fayetteville Street to our right here they would shut down Fayetteville Street and have displays and all kinds of stuff in the convention center. Fayetteville Street's also popular for weekly street fairs, or at least it was anyway, until last year came. And they also have the International Bluegrass Music Festival in September. I think that's coming back the end of this coming September. That's always a good time if you like bluegrass music, and I do. Bunch of old churches in town here, and Museum Row, if you want to call it that, is down this way as well. The west end of town, which is to our left, is the, I guess they call it the warehouse district, all the old brick buildings, a lot of art galleries, restaurants. There's probably a microbrew or two in that area. And that's it. We are out of downtown Raleigh. And it does spread to our left and right a little bit. We're now traveling south to north. That's the Amtrak yard up on the right. with the North Carolina leading the train. We do have an Amtrak stop in town. And that's pretty much it. A lot of urban sprawl. The actual city of Raleigh continues further north a few miles, but it's not like the downtown area we just went through. It's not like Manhattan and New York City by any stretch of the imagination. It's a lot of residential, commercial, and believe it or not, some parkland as well. I like the old stuff. So that's about it. I'm gonna sign off for today before the battery quits. Thanks for watching, and hope you guys are out getting some riding in this nice weather. We'll see you next time on Hog Driver 88.